boys? Welcome back. FOMC tomorrow. Interest rate decision. Where are we going to go? I have some levels here for ES and NASDAQ. So basically for ES, we already took this high resistance and we did come down a little bit, tried to go back up and reclaim, but we came down aggressive sell yesterday, but after the open on Asia today started come back up. So kind of feels like a sell the news tomorrow, or there's going to be a massive breakout to all-time highs. But these are the levels that I'm looking at. I want to see if we can reclaim this high today, and maybe this could be a short 7605. Maybe we SFP 625 as well. Now, keep in mind that we do have a massive gap below. So, my scenarios are like maybe we slowly grind down chop before tomorrow, and then maybe tomorrow we fill this and we go up, but we don't really know what's going to happen because one tweet from Trump, things could change. But these are the levels that I'm looking at. It's kind of hard to long now that we are here, but uh, 4 hour gap. We do have a little bit of a gap here that we haven't filled. So this might actually be a bounce area, but then again, this is so close already to the gap right here. So I'm looking at those, and hopefully we get some longs before the pump page on FOMC. Then again, we could just maybe chop. So those are the levels that I'm looking at for ES. Now for NASDAQ, we kind of visited. Oh, we haven't. We front ran the gap, straight bounce, and now we have a 4 hour gap here. If we can invert this, then probably going higher, right? So Nasdaq, that's the only thing that I'm looking at because we already took this yesterday and then we came down. I really thought yesterday was the massive move up, and then maybe today we kind of chop, wait for FOMC tomorrow, and then decide where it wants to go. But this is what I'm looking at for Nasdaq. Honestly, for longs, I really want us to maybe fill this before getting into some longs. It's kind of hard to long right here that you are inside this gap. But let's see if we visit some of the levels here below. But yeah, those are my levels for NASDAQ. For Bitcoin, I decided I took profits already on the longs, but I want to see if we can hold 64,700. If we can hold that, maybe we get a bounce and I'll try to get along here. But then again, you also can't deny that we built up some low resistance liquidity here. And if OMC is seldom used, and this could just drop lower and take all this liquidity and finally go. So yeah, pretty simple TA on Bitcoin. Scenarios are: do we get a bounce here, or do we get a continuation down and finally take all this liquidity? Yeah, because we already we didn't take any. Wait, yeah, we did take this, but we haven't cleaned everything. So even though we might still pump, so we're closer here. So this could just be a slingshot to going. This could be a short too, 68K. So yeah, pretty simple TA. Don't forget to use my links down below. I'm trading NASDAQ, NAS 100 and SPX on Bybit and Ubit. They have trade-fi trades now. And then for Bitcoin, using Weeks, BTCC, of course, Ubit. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you guys tomorrow.